Hi guys, Christine here. Welcome to this tutorial. As the slogan says, everything you need to get anything done now in one place. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you, what Google Workspace can do. I'm going to walk you through each and every area of your Google Workspace. So this is kind of like Microsoft Office, except this is developed by Google. And from here at your Google Workspace, you can pretty much start different types of document. What you see here is actually my official or my client's paid Google Drive or Google account where they assigned me as an administrator of this workspace. Let me show you first what can you see when you are on your Google Drive. So let's go look at the left side. You can see a plus button here that says new, and to start any type of document, whether it's a Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, or Google Form, and many more. You can also add a folder just like a drive, like on your local computer, except this is your web-based drive. So you can save your files here that is digital. So from top, you would see this priority. Under priority tab, you will find all the files or documents that you have recently worked on and files that are important to you. You can actually create your workspace so that your priority tab will be your home page every time you open Google Drive. If you go next to that is My Drive, where your own files are saved under your account. Next is the Shared Drive. Under Shared Drives, you will see all the drives that has been shared with you by the owner or the client. The next tab is Shared with Me. Here you will see all the files and all the folders that were shared with you by anyone. The next tab here is the recent files that you have worked on. The Starred tab, these are the files that you have marked with a star, which also means they're saved as your favorites. The next tab is the Trash. This is where all the deleted files go. So now let's go to the right side of this screen. Up here on top right, if you click on your profile icon, you can quickly switch to a different Gmail account or add another account. The next to that is the 9 dots square here. Click that, you will see all the Google apps that you are free to use. Next to that is the setting icon. Click on that if you want to change anything on the settings. The help button is very handy if you have any questions for anything about Google Drive. And below that, you would see this link icon. If you want to get the link of any selected file or folder, you simply click the link and a pop-up window will open where you can copy the link. Next is the Shared or Add Collaborator icon. If you click on that, you will have the option to add an email and send the file to whoever you want to share it with, or you can simply copy the same link that you will see if you click on the link icon. Next is this I, which is the preview button. Click on that and you can have a quick preview of a selected file. Next to that is the remove button, or you can just simply right click on a file and remove it. The next icon right up here is just the grid view of your files. So if I click on that, it will just change the view of files. Next to that is hide details. If you click on that, it will hide that details on the side. If I click on that again, it will show up again. And finally, the last part is this pane right here that you see. You can access your calendar from here. You could also access your notes, even task. If you want to add anything else here, just go ahead and click this add-on. And that's pretty much it. That's how Google Workspace works. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to message me directly on Facebook, or if it's possible, drop your comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.